Because of climate change, bushfire conditions have never been more dangerous, which is putting people, properties, and ecosystems at risk. There's been an increase in fire season, length, frequency, and global burnable area. This year we witnessed Hawaii get ravaged by fires, and in 2020, Australia declared a state of emergency for New South Wales, Queensland, and for the first time ever in Greater Sydney.
While proper land management and controlled fires should be the main mitigators for wildfires, sometimes more than these options are needed.
One thing we could add to our arsenal of fire mitigation strategy is the use of flame retardants. And flame retardants could be used strategically on vegetation or on property or on things within a property that can easily catch fire. By using flame retardants, we could perhaps lower the risk of more fire damage.
In order to avoid the damage caused by wildfires, commercial flame retardants are being used despite the harm they cause to the environment. Studies have shown that even small amounts of flame retardants can severely harm aquatic environments. So this has sparked a new search for more environmentally friendly but also effective solutions.
Most of the research we found focuses on textile flammability. We're interested in applying these natural extracts to plants. Experiment, we tested several natural extracts on our plant samples. We tested a lychee sample, which is highly flammable, and lily pilly, which is moderately flammable, to see how the surface flame retardant could impact the plant's flammability.
The tricky part about finding such solution is that it needs to be cheaper than what is currently being used, needs to be accessible to everyone, and needs to be practical to apply as well.
First natural extract we tested was banana stem sap, which we chose this because it contains a lot of fire retardant elements such as phosphorus and nitrogen. So basically the banana sap can be easily extracted using a sugarcane press juicer, as seen in the video. Basically the collected sap after that needs no further treatment, so it's ready to be sprayed.
Another natural source of flame retardancy is whey protein. After doing some research, we found that whey protein can form coatings between the oxygen in the plant that inhibits combustion. So we decided to try it out. So for all the solutions and treatments, we've been using this jetpack machine to spray our samples. Here you can see a sample that's about to be sprayed, and we sprayed for 2 seconds each side, and here you can see all of our samples. So for example, this one is whey protein SA121. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And now this sample is ready to be dried for 24 hours, and tomorrow we're going to burn it.
After being sprayed and dried for 24 hours, the plants are now ready to be burned on the grill here. They're going to be dried out for 2 minutes, simulating the beginning of a fire front. And then after 2 minutes, they'll be lit on fire with this flamethrower. And we'll use this infrared thermometer to take the temperatures of the grill and the temperature of the fire.
In our data, we analyzed the effect of the treatment on plant flammability using a software called R. Unfortunately, the banana solution didn't perform as well as we had originally hoped it would. We think that the pure banana juice contained too much water. Perhaps having a more concentrated solution would work better and is worth exploring in future experiments.
Moving on to the whey protein, this solution did prove to have a significant result on the plant's flammability. Take a look at this lychee sample. This one wasn't sprayed with anything. And now, look at this footage that we took of one that was sprayed with whey protein. The plant looks like after being burnt. This one was treated with only whey protein. As you can see from that video and this graph, there was a huge difference in the plant's flammability after adding whey protein. Actually, the whey protein solution reduced the plant's flammability even more than the store-bought solution.
While their experiments showed some promising results, the search for an environmentally friendly and effective flame retardant continues. More research would need to be done for scaling up whey protein for commercial use. And we just want to further emphasize that flame retardants are to be used in combination with other fire mitigation methods to help improve the damage from wildfires.